Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Honda Odyssey vs Toyota Sienna full comparison. Watch closely as we break down seating, safety, fuel economy, and tech so you can decide. I will cover passenger comfort, cargo flexibility, fuel estimates, and driver assists in clear terms. Expect practical pros and cons, typical ownership costs, and real-world impressions you can use when shopping. Stick around for quick tips to match features to needs. Let's explore seating and space in a friendly, practical way that translates to everyday life. I will detail how many people fit comfortably, how seats fold or remove, and which layouts suit carpooling, road trips, or hauling gear. We'll compare cargo numbers, ease of access to third-row seats, and storage solutions for small items. By the end, you'll know which layout fits your family rhythm and weekend plans. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. It really supports more helpful guides. Quick recommendation. On another note, I love the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for families. It saves time with voice control and smart cleaning, making car messes less stressful at home. Check the description for the link and other deals, grab a tidy upgrade if you want, and now let's get back to the video. Now we'll cover safety features, performance, and comfort in a straightforward tone that's easy to follow. I will outline standard and available driver assists, how each van feels when merging or passing, and expected fuel economy in mixed driving. We'll also touch on towing ability, brake feel, and cabin quietness, so you know what to expect on commutes and road trips. This helps match driving style to vehicle strengths.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.